Monday morning, it's August 4th. Labor Day weekend continues on. If you didn't already get out and enjoy Saturday, well, you may still have some time to get out and enjoy the weather. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage. Eric.
So far today, things are trending on the drier side. There's still a chance for a pop-up shower or storm. The highest chances for rain showers today are going to be in the southern valleys. Now, the rain chances for tomorrow are still on the drier side, so we're kind of inching further down towards the south in terms of rainfall for tomorrow, so good news for there. Now, live look at our Cavity Tower camera. We're seeing hazy conditions this morning. The humidity is still very humid, I should say, for today, with dew points in the mid-60s right now. Now, live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are dry this morning. However, we'll keep an eye on plenty of showers arriving from the southwest. This will move into our area later tonight into early tomorrow morning, and we'll still keep an eye on how far north these showers do trend. Currently, it is already 71 degrees with some sunshine in the Mohawk Valley, but that will change with increasing clouds heading into this evening. But overall, probably sunny day with a pop-up shower or storm heading into the southern valleys this evening. I'll break it all down for you coming up. Back over to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much, Eric.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. After a pleasant past couple of days to start out the Labor Day weekend, the weather looks to be trending more on the unsettled side heading into today as well as tomorrow. In fact, let's take a look at our Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. We're seeing some hazy conditions. The humidity is on the higher side, moderate to high side, with dew points in the mid-60s right now. And in fact, on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we are dry across the area for this morning, but things will be changing heading into the afternoon and evening. There's some chances for some pop-up showers or storms. The highest chance of seeing a shower or storm looks to be south of the Mohawk Valley. They look to be developing out towards the higher elevations down near Shenango County and Otsego County, as well as further out towards the east, away from Herkimer and Oneida counties for this afternoon. Now, as we head around the clock today for temperatures, we do warm up into the upper 70s with a bit on the humid side for conditions, and that will continue to be the story heading into tomorrow. A bit on the cooler side, but still it will feel like a little bit humid as we head into tomorrow. Other than that, weather grades across the board. Enjoy a pleasant morning, still on the hazy side, but you'll still see mostly dry conditions. Increasing clouds as we head into the noon hours, and there's a chance for a pop-up shower or storm. Other than that, clouds look to be the main factor heading into tonight. Now, taking a look at a rainfall outlook, other than a pop-up shower or storm today, there's a chance of widespread showers tomorrow. Now, the big picture is that these showers look to be trending further south of our area, but some of these could linger into more day-long showers, especially in the southern valleys, and some could inch even into the Mohawk Valley heading into tomorrow. And after that, lingering showers possible on Tuesday. It's more on the dry side, actually. I would say more close to the nothing side. And then Wednesday looking mostly dry as a high pressure builds in from the west. Radar and satellite composite shows a stationary front slowly moving its way down over our area. This is slowed down by high pressure south towards the Carolinas. Now, what we're keeping an eye out for right now is this low pressure. What this is doing, this is dragging this humidity up over this area. This is basically acting as a highway for rainfall, and the exact location of the stationary front is very important, and that determines exactly where we see rainfall. Now, this is a very large-sized version of a stationary front, so just a movement of a couple of tens of miles can determine how much exact rainfall we do see heading into tomorrow. Now, on our Skycast, things are changing more on the dry side today, warming up into the upper 70s. Pop-up showers or storms in the southern valleys, drying out by the later this evening, and then heading into tomorrow morning, a chance for some widespread showers, especially south of our area, but they could linger further up towards the north. Expect rainfall accumulations at least on the 1/10 of an inch side, but more on the dry side, especially north in the North Country. Today, a high of 79 degrees, partly sunny, a pop-up storm to the south. Tonight, a low of 62. Some showers begin to start. And tomorrow, high of 71, rainier in the south, drier on the north side of our area. In our 7-day forecast, the weather remains unsettled for today as well as tomorrow, but dry weather persists as we head into Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, looking ahead towards a very dry stretch of weather heading into later on this week. And our trivia question, what is the only moon in the solar system with substantial atmosphere like Earth's?
Maybe Europa, and that is just a wild guess.
It's a wild guess. It is a Titan, and it's a nitrogen atmosphere just like Earth's. The only thing is it's only minus 200 and I think 290 degrees below zero, below freezing. So it's going to be on the cooler side. Has ice,
So you
but
have to wear your winter coat.
yeah, just a little bit on the cool side. Maybe like a good vacation spot if you enjoy the cold.
Thank you so much, Eric. Well, as students and
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. After a pleasant start this morning, the weather begins to turn unsettled with increasing humidity as well as an increasing chance for a pop-up shower or storm. Now, most of us will remain dry. However, we cannot rule out a stray pop-up shower or storm later on this evening. Now, a live look at our Cafe Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica and the Mohawk Valley. Some light haze across our area that is due to the humidity right now and will be the case for the most of the day today as well as tomorrow as more widespread showers move into our area, especially south of the Mohawk Valley. Live look at our York for Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are dry this morning. We are still keeping an eye on some showers down to the south that will slowly move their way up north and east into our area heading into later on tonight and early tomorrow morning. Skywatch is checking in this morning. 67 in Mohawk, 63 degrees in Curtis Corners, 68 in New Hartford, 60 degrees in Westdale, 61 in Gray. Southern Valley's temperatures in the 60s, 69 degrees checking in Cooperstown. Now, as we head around the clock today, we do warm up into the upper 70s to possibly reaching the 80-degree mark. However, a lot of cloud cover will limit a lot of heating for today. Here on the humid side as well, and weather grades across the board, dry in the morning, increasing clouds throughout the day, and we do see a chance for a pop-up shower or storm. The areas most affected by that will be in the southern valleys. North Country, Mohawk Valley, less of a chance to see a pop-up shower today. Radar and satellite composite shows a slow-moving stationary front moving over an area over the next several days, and this will act as a highway for rainfall to move over, and this exact location determines exactly where the widespread rainfall occurs. Now, current trends show it south of our area towards the Catskills and out towards Massachusetts, but this could linger further north. The exact location of this front is very key in determining exactly where the widespread rainfall occurs, and we'll have updates later on tonight at 6 as well as 11 on where that front stands later on today. On our Skycast, the current conditions we're expecting today is a pop-up shower or storm heading into the southern valleys for this afternoon. Dry weather persists, and then lingering showers move into the area by the morning hours by tomorrow. Mostly cloudy skies, and you can see widespread showers slowly inching their way further up to the north. This could be turning north or south once again, depending on exactly where this front moves. Now, our current information for right now, the stationary front is staying further south at this point. Areas south of North Country likely to see some rainfall at some point, and areas most likely to see steady rainfall will be in the southern valleys. And once again, this could change, especially where the front moves heading into tomorrow. Recap of the weather today: high of 79, partly sunny, pop-up shower or storm possible in the south. Tonight, a low of 62, and some showers begin to start. Tomorrow, high of 71, rainier on the southern side of our area and drier, especially in the North Country. In our 7-day forecast, after unsettled weather returns for Monday for Labor Day, dry weather looks to be the story for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Pleasant weather in the forecast with temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s. And our trivia question, our final trivia question: what was the first empire in history? Do you want to give some hints?
No. I'll just you gave me hints yesterday. I'm going to go with Babylonian Empire B.
Babylonian is the Akkadian Empire. And it was, let me get the exact information for that. I think it was started in 2334 BC. So it was actually the first civilization, the first empire after Sumer. So the actual first civilization ever recorded, which is Sumer.
I'm not going to ask you about Sumer because I bet you don't know about that off the top of your head, right?
No, but it was a little bit after that.
Thank you so much, Eric. Always teaching and inspiring. Now let's head over to someone else who's...
We'll get into those stories in just a moment, but first, a flood advisory was in effect for the southern valleys. Meteorologist Eric Gage is in tracking what you can expect this evening. Good evening, Eric.
Good evening, Sayara. Yes, there was a flood advisory in effect. The good news is it is over. It was just for a certain part of the southern valleys. There are some scattered storms moving through the southern valleys this evening. In fact, let's take a look at our York for Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. There was one storm in particular that produced very heavy rainfall. One person reported upwards of 4 inches of accumulation in one small area. Now, a lot of these storms and showers moved just only in the southern valleys. If you are in Oneida County as well as Herkimer County, you probably barely saw any precipitation today. Now, the flood alerts, it was in effect. It has just been canceled as of 6 p.m. so far today. And currently it is 73 degrees in the Mohawk Valley right now with increasing cloud cover heading into this evening. And dew points are still in the 60s, so it's feeling a bit hazy outside right now. This evening, temperatures cooling down into the 70s and 60s. We're also tracking widespread rainfall heading into tomorrow for Labor Day, breaking it all down, including what to expect for accumulation coming up. Back over to you, Syra.
Thank you, Eric. Happening tomorrow.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Some of us saw mostly dry conditions today, while others saw some heavy downpours in the story throughout the day today, and rain chances do increase as we look ahead towards Labor Day. Here's a live look at our Cavia Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica, a bit on the hazy side, and that will still be the case, especially for areas that have not seen rainfall so far this evening. In fact, if you look across the state on the New York State Mesonet, you still can see some cloud cover moving through our area. Cloudy conditions will be the story heading into the next several days for conditions to clear out as we head towards Tuesday and eventually Wednesday. Now, a live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are mostly dry, especially in Oneida County and Herkimer County, but been pretty active for weather in the southern valleys so far today. There was actually a flood advisory in effect for some parts of Sherburne, actually in Edmiston, that has since been lifted, but still expect some lingering showers and storms moving through the southern valleys this evening, and showers do become more widespread heading into tonight. Skywatchers this evening checking in 67 degrees in West Leiden, 74 in Barneveld, that's 77 degrees in Clinton, and 78 degrees in Mohawk. In the southern valleys on the cooler side, temperatures in the 60s, 69 in Milford and Hartwick, 73 in Richfield, Springs, 71 in West Lawrence, and 70 degrees in Otsego. Radar and satellite composite shows a stationary front moving just over our area, and this is causing some lingering showers moving through the southern valleys so far for this evening. Now, the stationary front is moving to the south heading into tomorrow. What this is doing, this is creating a highway for rain showers to move over. This is a low pressure down to the south, as well as a high pressure just off the east coast. This is dragging humid air right into the highway, and as you can see, right behind this stationary front, more widespread showers. Now, thankfully, a lot of the heavier rain showers are mainly south of our area towards the Catskills, but still, we could be seeing some more of those rain showers into our area. Now, after that, a high pressure builds in from the north, and we're tracking dry conditions throughout the rest of this week. Now, breaking it all down in our Skycast tonight, lingering showers and more widespread showers become the factor heading into early tomorrow morning, with temperatures cooling down only into the low 60s. And after that, more heavier showers still only in the southern valleys. At this point, the stationary front has moved further down to the south. And after that, lingering showers make way for mostly cloudy skies on Tuesday and a more mild day in terms of humidity. And after that, the clouds move over our area, and we're tracking dry conditions heading into Wednesday. Now, a rainfall accumulation forecast. This is what we're expecting for rainfall. Trace amounts in the North Country and the Mohawk Valley. On the eastern side of the Mohawk Valley, ½ inch to an inch of rainfall. And for the southern valleys, specifically just south of Cooperstown, you could be seeing an inch of rainfall or more. And for thunderstorms, this could produce even locally heavy downpours in excess of over 2 inches. And our dew point trend, as you can see, as a cold front moves through, the dew points tend to lower as you head towards Monday. Dew points in the 60s. But we're heading into Tuesday and Wednesday, dew points are going to be only in the upper 50s, so much more refreshing compared to the humid days we've seen over the past couple of days. Recap of the weather this evening. Temperatures in the 70s, cooling down into the 60s overnight with a lingering shower or storm. Tonight, low of 62 with some scattered to widespread showers starting. The highest chances are in the southern valleys. Tomorrow, rain showers, highs in the upper 60s to low 70s. Now, the 7-day forecast. After a lingering shower or two on Tuesday, dry weather looks to be the story Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Sunshine on Friday with highs in the low 80s.
Many life of Americans in each corner, from a state of emergency declared in Georgia following torrential rains to a 100-year-old community in Northern California decimated by fire. And much of the country is facing temperatures above normal as well. Ralph Sanchez has that story.
Tonight, torrential rain sparking flash floods across North Georgia. Roads washed out with 12 inches of rain falling in some areas in a matter of hours. This backyard transformed into a lake. The governor declaring a state of emergency, and residents of the city of Somerville told to boil water before drinking it after flooding at a nearby plant.
The water has not receded, and it's going to be at least a day or two before we can assess the damages that have taken place at our water plant.
11 million across the region under flood alerts through Labor Day, as far as Indiana, where sheriffs discovered one dead. Meanwhile, in California, the small town of Weed is coming to terms with its losses. Dozens of homes destroyed, with the historically black neighborhood of Lincoln Heights the center of the devastation. A 100-year-old community erased by flames in just a few hours.
I ran and turned on the water faucet, looked in the neighbor's backyard. It was completely on fire.
A tragedy all too familiar for Robert and Barbara Thomas, whose home burned along with their granddaughters down the block, just 8 years after their relatives lost everything in a 2014 fire.
Just a lot of mental anguish, just a lot of hurting in this community now.
Across the West, 46 million are under heat alerts, with many again facing potentially record-setting triple-digit temperatures. In California, the demand on the power grid is intensifying. The effort to keep California's lights on is being directed from control centers like this. So far, the grid is held strong, but today will bring some of the hottest temperatures yet. Authorities have been warning residents for days about the potential for rolling blackouts.
Those last few days are likely to be a dress rehearsal for what's going to be a much more significantly stressed set of conditions here.
While in Arizona, this massive dust storm left thousands without power near Phoenix, disrupting traffic and dimming Friday night lights. A holiday weekend of extremes that few will forget.
Time now for a first look at your forecast tonight. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
And compared to those natural disasters, we're not expecting any natural disasters in our area in terms of rain showers. Now, a live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Rain showers are arriving tonight. As you can see, some locally heavy downpours just in Madison County right now. Now, this will be more on the weak side, so we're not expecting any severe weather at this point. The biggest concern is going to be locally heavy rainfall and possibly training, basically when rain showers move over the same area over a long period of time could cause localized flooding. Now, in the bigger picture, these rain showers are moving in from the southwest tonight, and this will be the story for tomorrow, scattered to widespread showers in the forecast. Current temperature is in the 60s, 64 degrees in the Utica-Rome region, and weather headlines: showers beginning tonight. Scattered to widespread showers are in the forecast for Labor Day tomorrow. And coming up, I'll break down what to expect for rainfall totals throughout the day tomorrow. Now, tonight, low of 62, and showers look to be starting, and I'll break down what to expect for Labor Day forecast as well as your week ahead coming up. Back over to you, Syra.
Thank you, Eric. Some Labor Day.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Scattered showers to widespread showers will be the story heading into tonight as well as tomorrow for most of Labor Day. A bit of a break in the rain showers, especially the more north in the area you go. Later on in the afternoon, but we'll return heading into the evening. Here's a live look at our Kevi Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Mostly dry, especially out towards the northeast of our area. However, lingering showers are moving into our area as we speak. As a live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're seeing some rain showers moving into our area from the southwest. And as you can see, the movement of these showers is moving up towards the northwest right now. Now, as you can see, the heaviest rainfall is expected to be just south of our area. The heaviest rainfall continuing to move into Otsego County. However, there is a new development of a storm or two that can develop, or a heavier downpour that can move directly over the Utica region that could produce some pretty significant rainfall. Around the clock tomorrow, expect temperatures to be on the mild side, not warm up pretty quickly. That's due to a lot of cloud cover throughout the day. Temperatures warming up into the upper 60s. And weather grades across the board, although it shows red, a lot of us definitely need the rain. We could be seeing mostly some rain showers throughout the day tomorrow. Some breaks in the rainfall, but still plenty of rain showers is expected for Labor Day tomorrow. Radar and satellite composite shows a stationary front moving directly over our area, acting as a highway for rain showers to move over our area for tomorrow. And all this moisture coming in from the south will basically move across this front and produce widespread rain showers across the area. The heaviest rain showers, heaviest accumulation looks to be in the Catskills, but still some parts of the area could see rainfall accumulations above an inch of total rainfall. After that, a high pressure moves in from the north, and we're tracking dry conditions for the rest of the week. On our Skycast tonight, cooling down only into the low 60s and remaining in the 60s throughout the day tomorrow, possibly reaching the 70-degree mark if we get a little bit of sunshine in the afternoon. Now, seeing some rain showers moving through our area as well. The highest accumulations look to be south of the Mohawk Valley. Once again, a single shower or storm can move through our area, especially in the Mohawk Valley for tomorrow. The North Country looks to be the least affected by rain showers for tomorrow. And as you can see on a rainfall accumulation forecast, traced a half an inch for Old Forge, half an inch to an inch of rainfall just south of the Mohawk Valley, and some areas further down to the south could see rainfall accumulations of an inch or more. And within these rain showers, an isolated downpour or two could bring accumulations above 2 inches. Now, this is not going to be a widespread 2-inch rainfall event at this point. Tonight, a low of 62, showers starting, and tomorrow mostly rainy with highs in the upper 60s. And our 7-day forecast, after a rainy Labor Day tomorrow, the skies look to clear out as looking ahead towards a mostly dry week ahead with temperatures warming up into the low 80s. A chance of rain looks to be Thursday or on Sunday. Tauha.